In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how you can start copy trading on the Phemex crypto exchange. Phemex is a professional crypto exchange and they have copy trading directly integrated in their platform. Before you get started with copy trading on Phemex, you of course need to create a new account. With the link below this video, you will get to exactly this page. By clicking that link in the video description or the pinned comment, you will get the best sign-up bonus, which is currently worth up to $8,000. If you want to take advantage of this bonus, definitely click the link in the video description to create a new account. After you have signed up for a new Phemex account, you can first deposit funds in the top right corner. We also have a full deposit guide for Phemex in the video description. After depositing funds, you can get right into copy trading. Head over to contract and then select copy trading. In the front page of Phemex copy trading dashboard, we can see the recommended traders. We can scroll through this, but I personally want to filter for certain things. We can look for the traders with the highest balance. We can look for traders with the highest P&L, which means they made the most profits in terms of dollar value. Then we can look for the highest profits in terms of percentage gains, but be aware that this doesn't include the actual dollar. So it could be $1 to $10, which is then a 1000% gain, but it's not really much in terms of dollar value. Then we can also look at the monthly ROI and monthly P&L, but in general, I recommend going with total and then comparing it maybe with monthly P&L. Let's now look for a trader with a great P&L. This trader looks very interesting. He has 219% monthly ROI and $466,000 in monthly P&L. Let's click on this. Now we can analyze the performance of this trader. We can see that he has a very steady and consistent P&L graph. This looks very reliable. When we scroll down, we can also analyze his data and we can also see the overall stats. First of all, we can see the profit sharing ratio, which means every time this trader makes a profit for his copiers, the copier will share 12% of the profits with this lead trader. Then the minimum amount to copy is $10. We can also see the 30-day copier P&L and the cumulative copier P&L. At the very bottom, we can also see a further analysis, for example, win rate, the last 90 days, total win rate, and also profits in the last 90 days. Overall, this looks decent. I want to copy this guy now. So I scroll up. We can also see here again, total ROI 117% and $466,000 in monthly power P&L. This overall looks pretty good. So let's now click on copy on the right-hand side. First, you might have to transfer funds to your copy trading wallet if you don't have anything there yet. So click on transfer. Then right now, if you have it maybe in the spot wallet, send it from spot to copy. In my case, I have the funds on the contract account. So I now send funds from the contract account to the copy trade account. But maybe you have funds in the spot account, so make sure that you send the funds from your wallet where they are located right now. In my case, the USDT are in the contract account. Now I confirm this, I send everything over, and now we put $100 here. That is the maximum investment amount. Then we can select the single copy investment. This refers to the exact amount we invest for each trade. For example, maybe we want to use $10 for every single trade, then we put 10 in here. This is the fixed amount option, but you can also use the multiplier. If you put this to 1, you use the same multiplier of your lead trader. So if the trader that you're copying uses 10% of his portfolio for the trade, you will also use 10%. However, if you now increase this to 5, and the lead trader uses 10% of his portfolio, your position will now be 50% because it will be multiplied by 5 in this case. Then we can also use a fixed ratio, which effectively is the same thing like putting 1 on the multiplier. So you can either put 1 on the multiplier or fixed ratio, that's effectively the exact same. And as I said, you can also use the fixed amount. In this case, I will just go with the fixed ratio. So I will use the same amount that the copy trader also uses in percentage terms. Then we can also edit the trading pairs. Click on edit on the right hand side. Now you can select or deselect all, and now maybe select only Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe Pepper. But in this case, I will just select all, confirm this, and now we will copy all of the trades exactly. Now position mode, we have isolated and cross. Isolated means that only your individual position can be liquidated. However, with cross, you can hedge your positions, but if you get liquidated on cross, you actually lose your whole account. And then lastly, you can also follow the trader. So if the trader opens a position with cross leverage, then you also open a position with cross. And if he uses isolated margin mode, then you also follow the trade with isolated. Then we can use the leverage slider here to select a specific leverage. For example, maybe you want to use 1x leverage, which generally should be much safer. but you can also use more leverage if you want more profits, but keep in mind that this also significantly increases the risk. Alternatively, you can follow the trader, which is also exactly what I will do in this case. So I have the fixed ratio to follow the trader, I have the position mode to follow the trader, and the leverage to follow the trader. Because in this case, I really want to copy the exact strategy of the trader. But if you have a specific copy trading strategy, then just feel free to change the settings. You have a lot of options here. Go ahead and do that. Specifically leverage, I think, is a very good thing to customize for better risk management. You can use lower leverage. But in this case, as I said, I want to exactly follow this trader. And now that I have set everything up, I simply click on copy. Now we have successfully initiated a copy trade on Phemex. If you now want to change some settings, like adding more money into the copy trading account, or maybe completely cancel the account, go back to the copy trading section by hovering over contract, then clicking on copy trade. Next, click on my copy trade on the right hand side, and then click on my traders. Here you will see all of the traders that you currently follow. You have one option to edit settings, so when you click on this, you can put more money in, you can change the fixed multiplier or fixed ratio setting, you can change isolated, cross, and follow the trader, and of course you can change the leverage. After making changes, simply click on copy. If you want to fully cancel the copy trading, click on cancel copy on the right hand side of the respective trader. Confirm this, and that's it. Now you have successfully cancelled the copy trade. If you want to get started with copy trading on Phemex, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video, because that makes you eligible for the best bonus worth up to $8,000. Additionally, we will leave you links in the video description to other crypto exchanges with great copy trading features. So maybe you want to look for alternatives, check out these videos as well.